Hello, today we will look at the complete flow of a consultancy request ticket. I will open a ticket using my company email. After the ticket creation, we will analyze the whole ticket lifecycle with the help of Carol and Linda. Enjoy.
Opening a consulting ticket, using your company email, is the same process we used for creating an incident ticket. You can include attachments to further clarify your request. These will be inherited by the ticket automatically created. Once the email is sent, the application will automatically reply to my email with the ticket number.
Hello, I will take in charge the consulting request that Benjamin just created. Subsequently, I will prepare the technical offer and estimate the time needed to complete the consultancy requested. Once this is done, I will send all the documentation to the service manager. Enjoy.
The first step is to review the data automatically inserted into the ticket when Benjamin's email arrives. Often, some information needs to be added to avoid delays in the subsequent stages of the ticket lifecycle. After this, is possible to take in charge the ticket. As you've probably learned, this is done using the status change technique, which will change the status from waiting list to consultancy offer under analysis. As always, this process will send an email to all interested parties. Once this status is set, the analyst prepares the technical offer. If further technical information is needed, the ticket can be forwarded to the development team, who will provide all the necessary information. After completing the technical document, the analyst must enter the estimated time needed to prepare the requested document. This is done in the Tickets Prices folder. Once these steps are completed and the ticket is saved, the analyst sends it to the service manager.
Hello, my name is Linda Violet. I am a service manager for the customer demo company. I received the consultancy ticket requested by Benjamin from Carol. I will now proceed with the final review and the financial offer preparation. After this, the offer will be sent to the customer. Enjoy!
The service manager enters in the ticket details, analyzes the technical offer and the quotation entered by the analyst. In the pricing folder are available additional items that the analyst cannot see, which are their own areas of expertise. For example, it's possible to enter, as a percentage or as a fixed quote in days, the estimated project management effort. Returning to the Documents folder, the system will automatically prepare the economical offer. As soon as it is available, usually within a few dozen seconds, the service manager can access to the document and check its integrity and accuracy. Once everything is correct and the ticket is saved with the new information entered by the service manager, it can be sent to the customer.
Hello, I received the offer from Linda. I will show you how to proceed with approval and, if necessary, how to quickly request additional information. Enjoy.
The customer enters the ticket and, by analyzing the technical and financial documents or viewing the quotation directly in the system, can decide whether or not to approve the proposal. If urgent and quick information is needed, he can open the application chat, available to all users, and speak directly with the service manager or with the consultant who prepared the documentation. This chat is available to anyone connected to the system, and each user can decide whether to appear as free or busy in their user profile.
Hello, Benjamin has approved the offer of the requested consultancy. We will now prepare the document and, if necessary, involve other colleagues or competence centers using the task technique that we have already seen. Enjoy.
Once the customer has accepted the offer, the analyst sets the ticket status to Consultancy in Preparation and begins the compilation of the document. The template is already present in the ticket details, under the Documents folder. If necessary, as we've already seen, it's possible to involve other colleagues or competence centers simply by opening a task for them. Once the document is complete, the analyst will send it to the customer, setting the ticket to status, Consultation Closed.
The customer receives an email notifying them that the document is available and the ticket has been closed. He carefully analyzes the information received. The ticket will remain in the status, Consultancy Closed, for a predetermined period, usually 15 days, after which it will automatically close. In our case, the customer needs to make some changes to the information received, so he changes the status from Consultancy Closed to Consultancy in Rework. He writes the requested changes in the email, and upon confirmation, the ticket is reopened and charged at the analyst who previously handled it.
The analyst receives new requests and updates the document. Once this is complete, he will close the ticket again and send the document to the customer. This loop can be repeated as needed until the final version is approved.
Once the customer is satisfied with the document received, they can proceed to the closure confirmation by changing the ticket status for the last time, or to wait for the pre-established time for automatic closure.